Alright, today we're going to bring a heat gun. Now, this is very simple to use. They include all the different heating nozzles that you require for different processes, alright? You guys can see you got to attach them to, they're all aluminum. You could stainless steel. You could attach them to the actual front of the head, every single one of them. And they have different angles, different exhausts, if you guys can see that. If you want to concentrate on certain areas, you can do that. Flat surfaces and even smaller surfaces. So we are going to use this. We're going to actually prepare two different items so you guys can see how it works. Now let me show you some of the features. All right, you got your off and on and two different speeds. All right, speed 1, speed 2, and it tells you right there. You can find little details right there, 1 and 2. All right, so this one's actually controlling the fan speed, so you're going to hear it. Faster you want the throttle, you give it more throttle, and so back. All right, so very simple. It heats up right away, so be careful when you're using this. Try not to use it near fire, near any kind of wood structure or plastic. Make sure you don't let any kids get near it. Even after using it, this is hot too, so you got to wait for it. So let's go demonstrate how it works. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and concentrate heating part right here. I don't want it to stretch out anywhere else, so tucking it in, it's just a stretch of a metal. All right, and that's pretty much it. And let's go ahead and set this up and start bending some of the actual pipe. PVC piping is perfect for that. I'm also going to show you how to actually control the heat, only certain areas. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. You hear it? Very quiet. And right now on level 1 and off. Level 2 is all the way up. Fan speeds, and you can see it melting right away. We try to bend here, more of the bending. There it goes, bending. Keeping bend. And over here. You see how much I bend it? Alright, we're going to keep it bent just a little bit. It's going to get cold, but I want a little slant. That's pretty much what it is. I'm showing you with the PVC piping, you're going to see the color. Don't recommend you PVC piping. We're just doing for the demo. That's pretty much it. It does that. Bends the whole thing. Keeps that curve. Let's see where this thrives more. All right. We're going to marry these two connections. All right. So we're going to pass the tube in here for now so you guys can see as a demo. And we're just going to tie it down right now and heat it up. And I'm gonna try to see if I could grab some pliers and do this from a range. All right, so let me go ahead and tie these up. So I'm gonna show you guys how to shrink this right now. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Concentrate a little bit more here. You can see it, it's shrinking, wrapping pretty good. Stop it here, grab from this side, over this side so you guys can see a little bit more. We still need a couple more here. So we're done the wrapping. You guys can see it. Very good. Very simple. Look at that. Wrap the whole thing around. It's cooled down already. And it's tight. Fix. Wrap it with the gun. So hope you guys enjoy the video.